Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to review a PR or a pull request in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is just to access your GitHub account either from the GitHub website or the GitHub desktop, and it will be the same thing. And after that, you will be needing just to go to uh, your repository, and from your repository you will be able to find all your pull requests. So here you will have the code issues if someone have submitted some issue, and here you will find all your uh, pull requests. So whenever you are clicking on a pull request, you will be able to find this view. So from here you will find a conversation, commits, checks, etc. So let's suppose that in the commits has been before a pull request or before merging, there were many commits. And basically, you will be able to start going through the commits and you can see all the commits that has been added to this pull request. And from there, you can start reviewing your pull request. So basically, you can seek the changes. So from here, you can review the changes, see what have been changed in the code, and here where the review is being done. So as you can see, those are the review changes. You can, for example, this is that wouldn't work, or this is okay, this is good, and you will have a conversation or whatever, and then you can submit a review, and then the one the pull request uh, sender will find your review was submitted on a merge pull request because this one has been already merged, and then you can go to the file changes again, and you can find all the review that has been said, and basically it will be added to the conversation. So as you can see, it is commented now. You can comment on a specific line, etc. And at the end, you will find you can start a conversation, and then uh, the owner of the pull request or the owner of the repository or anyone who has the access can merge these pull requests, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.